Welcome back. Another tip for you as a couple to survive in times like this, in times where we feel insecure, where we don't know what to do, is to become very curious about each other's insight about what is happening. You will probably see that you as a couple see situations like this very different. One will see it as another opportunity for growth. One will see the world is busy, we are all going to die. The world is going to end. The one that see this is another opportunity for growth will see the one that see the world is going to end, will see this one is very negative, and then you disconnect. And the one that see all the dangers that the world is going to end, will see the other one as avoiding important stuff, not seeing reality, not being present, not being connected, and you will disconnect. And then you get into isolation, and then we get stuck. This one needs to try to bring in energy, this one needs to try to bring back reality, and this become a power struggle. My tip for this week is get curious about each other's perspective about the situation that we are in now, because your partner will see something that you can't see, and you will see something that your partner can't see. Instead of fighting and disconnecting from each other, rather step into dialogue, because together you will have a much more real picture of what is happening. There's some truth in yes, the world can end, probably not really end, but in whatever the fear is here. And yes, there is an opportunity of what's happening in any crisis, and together maybe you can create something more than in your fear or your concern on your own. So the tip for this week is be curious about each other's perspective about the situation and dialogue about it. Please stay safe, stay connected, and all the best for this week.